Roger is a perfect in that anytime we have any issues after hours, Roger's the #1 guy we're able to get a hold of. He's always responsive and he always takes care of the problem. He just handles whatever he can, and then he ensures that it will not create issues for the learning day the next day.
It is something that I never thought would happen while I was here, but it is an honor to have this award.
I can remember we had a storm and a gate blew down. Roger went and got it so that the gate was out of the way and we could still get in and out. And then before I could even ask him the next morning, he had already called and had the company out fixing the gate.
From what we had when I started here to what we have today has just been a major. The systems have gotten better, more sophisticated.
He loves the challenge. He loves to get in there and just see what he can do to help resolve any issue that comes across.
When I do a job, I want to make sure that it's done correctly and done right and looks good. And if it doesn't, then that's on me. And it reflects on my reputation here. And I don't want to leave. When I leave here, I want my reputation to be one of someone who did it right.